I buy from them again?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Msmarabouu. So today I got a hair review for you guys, and it's on Eula hair. So if you want to see the deets in the review on this hair, stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. And also don't forget to put on your notification bell so every time I drop a video you guys will see it. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah guys, so the hair comes off a little bit dry. It could be because of the coloring that they had to do to this hair. So what I'm going to do is add some moisture to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of water and conditioner to it, and also some hair oil just to keep it real shiny and get the, you know, get it real juicy, get it looking real nice, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my Bio Silk to give it a little bit of more moisture and shine. So I pretty much already laid down my edges before the video started, but I'm just going to touch it up just a little bit. This lace is not a bad lace. It's a transparent lace. It's a transparent lace, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I think it did pretty well. So I don't think you would have too much of an issue when it comes to trying to laying down your baby hairs and trying to get the lace to blend in with your skin. So yeah, so this hair is from the company Eula Hair. This is my first time buying from this company. This is a 4x4, which meaning it stops like this. It's a 4x4. It is a 24-inch hair. It's 24-inch wig, as you can see. And yeah, as you can see here, you know, it has the dark roots and the honey brown blonde ends and everything, and this is what it looks like while it's wet. So I'm gonna start off with the cons of this hair. So when I first got this hair out the packaging, it was really nice. It came with a comb, it came with some clips, and the packaging was really nice. I was really impressed with the packaging. I love how it looked. It was really put together, really well put together. But for some reason, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't like the hair, because when I first got it out the packaging, and for some reason, I don't know, like it seemed like it was supposed to be wavy. I would insert the picture what it looked like when I was purchasing it, and it was supposed to be like some type of crimp look. So in my mind, I thought maybe it was like a, you know, like a body wave type when they crimped it or something like that. But obviously you can see here it's like it's a loose wavy curl texture. So that was one thing I was like, okay, it does look a little off from the picture from when I purchased it. But I'm like, okay, no big deal, you know, let's just, you know, wet it down and see how it looks, you know, because clearly it was some curly hair. So, well, some loose curly hair. So after I sprayed it down and everything, I was a little shocked because there was like a strand. I had it in the middle part, I mean a side part when I first put it on. I was a little shocked because there was a strand that would not blend in with the rest. It would not curl up. And I was like, what's going on? So I was a little bit upset because I'm like, I don't know, hopefully this is not one of those that was used, returned, or something. I don't know. I started thinking the worst. I didn't know what was going on, or was it over processed? Because, you know, if they colored it, I wasn't too sure. So I was like, let me not panic and everything like that. So I bleached the knots. I did pluck it just a little bit, and then I just put it in some like really deep condition. And this is after when I put it in a deep condition, this was after I bleached the knots, because I don't know, usually I would just wash the hair and bleach the knots and condition it and it'll be okay. But I guess it needed a little bit more, you know, love and care. So I really let it sit in the conditioner for a while, and then after, you know, I washed it, I put it back on. I felt like it helped a little bit, you know, but I don't know, like I did take it out from that side part, so I don't know if it was like a certain strand, but I can't really see it. And yeah, so I think that helped a lot. So after that, I'm not gonna lie, I became to fall in love with this hair. I love it so much now because it's so soft. It's really soft hair, and yeah, like the lace is pretty good. It's not that detectable. I did have it on since this morning, so you know, my makeup and everything's kind of like coming off of it and everything, but it's really pretty. Like I said, it's soft. Like I love how soft it is, and like how the lace is. So that's the pros on it. So I don't know, I'm just saying, if you do end up getting this texture, I will put all the, you know, the description, everything in the description of, you know, the type that I bought and everything like that. I would say, you know, put in some deep conditioner and then you'll be good to go. Will I buy from them again? Maybe I will buy from them again. I don't know if it'll probably be this texture, but I probably will buy from them again. But that did shock me in the beginning. But other than that, you know, I love it. You know, after I deep condition it, it's really pretty. It's shiny. I put a little bit of oil in it just to keep it from getting too dry. This is what it looks like while it's wet. 24 inches. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm 5'1", so it's like down to, you know, my waist somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. So yeah, so I will insert a picture to what it does look like when it's dry. It's still pretty when it's dry. It just comes off a little bit dry. So you do have to add in some oils and everything. It does come off a little bit dry, but that, I don't think that's too much of a big deal because it is bleached, you know, there's color on it, so you know your hair could get dry. But I haven't seen any like heavy tangling or anything like that, heavy shedding or anything. So other than that, this hair is good to go. You know, I get a lot of compliments on it, so it's not as bad as the experience when I first got it. But I do like the packaging and everything, and I still like how soft and manageable that it is. So yeah, so this is just a quick review on Eula's hair. I will have everything in the description or on the screen. I will put the pictures of what it looked like when it was giving me slight problems. So yeah, so you guys can see that. But other than that, as you can see, it's real cute, you know. Probably wouldn't even be able to tell that it gave me any problems, huh? But yeah. So yeah, so that sums up my hair review. This was a quick review. I just wanted to give my quick little experience with Eula hair, since this is my first time trying it out. And yeah, so if you guys liking these hair reviews and beauty videos, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see my videos, and also that notification bell. So yeah, so I will see you guys in another one. Bye.